Most people don't realize this. Every single month, money is quietly disappearing from your life. Not because you're irresponsible, not because you're bad with money, but because the system is designed that way. Your internet bill creeps up, your subscriptions renew silently, your insurance increases just because you stayed loyal. And while you're busy living your life, these companies are negotiating against you. But what if you didn't have to fight back? What if you had something that could fight for you? I stopped managing my money manually, and I built something better. I deployed AI agents to track, negotiate, and optimize every dollar in my life. Not spreadsheets, not budgeting stress, automation. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up, step by step. Before you can fix anything, you need to see everything. Right now, your financial life is probably scattered across a dozen different apps, statements, and email inboxes. It's a fragmented picture, designed to be confusing. The first step toward taking back control is to bring all those scattered pieces into one single, unified view. To do this, we start by downloading Rocket Money. Think of it as your new financial headquarters. This is your financial dashboard, your control center. It's designed to give you a crystal clear, real-time overview of your entire financial world. No more switching between apps or digging through statements. Everything you need to know is right here, in one place, updated automatically. This clarity is the foundation for every other step we're about to take. The setup is simple and secure. You'll link your bank accounts, your credit cards, and your investment accounts. The app uses bank-level security to create a read-only connection so your data is safe. This process is crucial because it allows the app to scan every single transaction, building a complete map of where your money is going. Now here's what happens. The moment you're fully connected, the scan begins. The AI gets to work, instantly identifying all your recurring payments. It reveals hidden subscriptions you forgot you had, flags duplicate charges for the same service, and even spots sneaky price increases you didn't notice. That free trial that converted to a paid plan a year ago? It finds it. The 2 cloud storage accounts you're paying for? It flags them. This is where most people get shocked. The average user discovers they're spending hundreds, sometimes over $1,000 a year on subscriptions they don't even use. Because the truth is, you're not broke. You're leaking money. These small, forgotten expenses are like tiny holes in your budget, silently draining your resources every single month. So here is your first action step. It's a quick win that will immediately put money back in your pocket. First, download Rocket Money. Second, connect all your financial accounts. Don't leave any out. Third, go to the Recurring Payments tab and review every single subscription. Be ruthless. Ask yourself, do I use this? Do I need this? Finally, for anything you don't need, tap the button to cancel it. Rocket Money can even handle the cancellation for you on many services. This initial scan is the most powerful step you can take toward financial clarity. Before you can fight the system, you must first expose it. Now comes the part most people dread. That sinking feeling when you know you're overpaying, but the thought of fixing it feels like a monumental task. You have to call the companies. You have to navigate those endless, confusing phone menus, desperately pressing 0, hoping to reach a human. Then comes the waiting, the mind-numbing hold music, the constant transfers from one department to another, forcing you to repeat your story over and over again. And if you finally get to the right person, you have to negotiate. You have to argue, plead, and justify why you deserve a better rate, often with someone who is trained to say no. It's exhausting, it's time-consuming, and frankly, it's a battle most of us are not equipped to win. So we're not doing any of that. Instead, we're deploying a specialist, a tireless expert negotiator that works for you around the clock. AI is doing it for you. Services like Trim or BillShark have built powerful AI agents designed for one purpose: to lower your bills. The process is incredibly simple. You just upload your bills. Your internet, your phone, your cable, your insurance, any recurring service you pay for. You can snap a photo or connect your email to let it find them automatically. And then, you do nothing. You just give it the green light. The AI takes over, initiating the negotiation on your behalf. It's armed with a massive database of competitor rates, hidden promotional offers, and successful negotiation tactics. It contacts customer service, bypassing the phone trees and hold times. It communicates with agents just like a human would, but with perfect patience and persistence. It systematically asks for every available promotion. It leverages your payment history. It points out competitor pricing. It doesn't get tired, and it doesn't take no for an answer easily. It pushes for lower rates until it secures a discount. Take an internet bill, for example. We've seen the AI successfully negotiate a bill down by $20 a month. That's $240 back in your pocket over the course of a year for about 2 minutes of your time. And here's the best part. You only pay if they save you money. The service typically takes a percentage of the first year's savings as their fee. If they can't find any savings for you, you pay absolutely nothing. It's a completely risk-free way to cut your costs. This is the new reality of personal finance. While you work, while you spend time with family, while you sleep, your personal AI negotiator is on the job, working like a full-time employee dedicated to saving you money. Now for the third and final step in our automated financial system, building your savings without even thinking about it. We've already cut your bills and negotiated better rates, which frees up cash. But freeing up cash isn't the same as saving it. If you rely on willpower alone, that extra money often just gets absorbed back into your daily spending. Saving money manually with the best of intentions simply doesn't work long-term. Let's be real. Life gets busy. You tell yourself you'll move that $100 over on Friday, but Friday comes and goes. You forget. You delay. You see something you want, and you spend instead. It's human nature. We are wired for immediate gratification, not for the slow, patient work of building wealth. The friction of having to and is often enough to derail our best-laid plans. So we remove the weakest link from the process. You. Not you, the smart, capable person, but the forgetful, impulsive part of you that gets in the way. We're going to build a system that works for you, not against you. To do this, download a micro-saving app like Opportune or Capital. These aren't your traditional banking apps. They are specialized tools designed for one purpose: to make saving effortless and invisible. Once you connect your primary checking account, these apps use smart algorithms, a form of AI, to securely analyze your income and spending patterns. They learn your financial rhythm, when you get paid, what your fixed costs are, and how much you typically spend each week. Based on this analysis, they automatically move small, manageable amounts of money from your checking account into a separate, dedicated savings pocket. We're talking a few dollars here, 50 cents there. The amounts are so small and timed so perfectly after you get paid, or when you have a surplus, you won't even feel it. There's no painful moment of transferring a large sum. It just happens quietly in the background. The real power is in the rules you can set. Here's what that looks like in action. The most popular is the roundup rule. Buy a coffee for $3.75, the app rounds it up to $4 and automatically saves the 25-cent difference. Or you can set a simple weekly transfer, say $15 every Friday. You can even get creative with a guilty pleasure rule, making the app save $5 every time you order from DoorDash. You can tie these savings to specific goals, like a vacation or a down payment, with visual progress bars that keep you motivated. Each tiny, automated transfer becomes a micro-win, a small step toward a tangible goal. These invisible wins compound over time, turning pocket change into significant capital. This is the secret. You don't build wealth in big, heroic moments of discipline. You build it in thousands of invisible ones that your automated system handles for you. Now combine everything. Rocket Money gives you awareness. Trim or Bill Shark lowers your bills. Opportune or Capital builds your savings automatically. This creates a loop. You spend smarter. Your bills get reduced. Your savings grow automatically. No stress. No constant thinking. Just systems working for you. This is what wealthy people understand. Money is not managed. It is engineered. At some point, you stop being someone who struggles with money, and you become someone who controls it. Not because you worked harder, but because you built systems that work without you. You don't need more hours. You don't need more stress. You don't need more discipline. You need automation. One day, you'll look at your account and realize the system is finally working for you. Final tool stack. Rocket Money. Track and cancel subscriptions. Trim or bill shark. Negotiate your bills, opportune or capital. Automate your savings. If this opened your eyes, subscribe, because this is just the beginning. We're not just saving money here. We're building systems that create freedom.